Hi friends, now I am going to some exclusive animals. Here is the all animals. Now you can see. Let's see one by one. This is a leopard. It is big and high qualities. This leopard jumps Here is a lion. This is called lion. It is big and red, so hungry and thirsty. This is the mouth is so big. Here is the tiger. This is the name of tiger, Royal Bengal tiger. It is very big and beautiful red tiger. This is a deer, black deer. It is big. This is another tiger. This is red also. He can jump along. Here is the horse. It is big and tall. Wow, this is the another lion. His mouth is so big. He is very hungry. Now we can give him. Here is the another deer. This is mother deer. He has two thrown. This is the red horse. This is big and beautiful looking. What is called? My friends, do you know what is called? This is a zebra. This is a zebra, black and white, so looking good. Yeah, this is the big elephant. His four legs so fat, and his two teeth is so big. This is a crocodile. He's so big and his tail is so long. He's very hungry. His mouth is so big. That is called crocodile. Near here is the forest. Some precious animal can attack there, so we can setting a guard. Here is the Spider-Man. Here is the Superman. You can put here to guard them. Here is the one Spider-Man, and here is the another Spider-Man. And here is the one Hulk. He is big and tall, strong, looking good. So fat. His bicep and triceps so looking good and so fat. Hulks are two brothers. Here is the big Hulk, elder brother, and a younger brother. Wow, so good. They are washing their all animals. You can see here another animal farm. Here is the one cow and his child. Here is the one cow, another cow and his child. This is the sheep and two sheep's child. Here is the hen, three hens and two, three, four ducks. Four ducks. Here is some soldiers are giving guard, and they are owner of this all animals. They have the all animals. Are watched by them. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. If my friends, if like this video, please like, comment and share. Please subscribe and stay with our channel. Thank you.